Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Unlock the Samsung and open settings immediately. Once inside, either search for date and time or navigate to General Management or System. Make sure you're not on a restrictive VPN or enterprise profile that forces network time. Now tap the date and time entry to open the controls. You're about to switch the phone from automatic network time to manual so you can make precise changes. You must disable automatic date and time so manual entries stick. Once done, switch off any use network-provided time, and then set the correct time zone before changing the date. Time zone affects the day. Next, use the date picker to choose the exact calendar day and tap the hour/minute fields to type precise time. Make sure AM/PM is correct if using 12-hour format, and confirm each entry so the changes apply. After you set date and time, tap Save or simply back out and check the lock screen and clock widget to confirm the new values. If the phone shows the old time, restart the device to force the system to reload settings. If the date keeps reverting, make sure carrier or provider time syncing is off, remove any enterprise profiles forcing time, and clear settings app cache. These steps stop automatic overrides and let your manual date persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.